everybody, welcome to my dorm tour. I've been meaning to make this video for the past forever, but I really waited till there's 5 more days until I move out to film this video, but at least I'm filming it. If you guys are wondering, this is a dorm at UBC Orchard Commons, which is a first-year residence. It's been really fun, really exciting. The dorms are actually really nice here, and I'm really excited to show you guys my room. Alright, so here's my door. Very exciting. I never got around to decorating this area because I just got lazy, but it's very nice, very plain. Over here we have a hook with all my tote bags and purses, and I have a command hook here where I put all my face masks for easy grabbage, and I have my keys here right on the door handle. Over here I have some posters I printed out at the printer downstairs. I have a Pink Floyd one and this random one from Pinterest of butterflies. I know, I'm so basic. Here is my fridge. I have 2 containers of really old food I need to toss or my room will smell like literal crap. But I also have my kettle here. Some hand sanitizer, an ice bottle with water in it to water my plants. Surprisingly, a really good water can. But here I have a French press for when I make coffee, which is never because I just go downstairs to get coffee. And my Brita that I actually never use because I am too lazy, so I just use tap water. But here's my fridge. I got it from I think Best Buy. Yeah, no, the dorm doesn't come with a mini fridge. I did buy this on my own, but this is what it looks like inside. I have literally no food because I'm about to move out, but I have some claws, a Nanaimo bar, kombucha, hummus, cream cheese, Coke, and just random things. And a freezer that is so small that I have nothing in there. Over here I have my bookshelf that I repurposed into like a pantry, I guess. Down there I have my slides, laundry detergent, garbage bags, Indomie that is actually empty, rice crackers, and almond milk. It's very disorganized right now because I have no food, but cereal, Sour Patch Kids, Cheetos, cutlery and stuff, bowls, plates, stuff like that. And on top I just have a water bottle and my ukulele. This is my closet area where I just keep most of my clothes. So on top I organize it so all of this is just like my tops. There's an umbrella over there. Down there I just have all of my pants. There's just all my shoes and my laundry hamper. Y'all gonna think I'm crazy. I have a bag of lots of Happy Planets, yerba mates, claws, trash, and even more drinks. Sad. Over here is my bathroom. So I had a lot of questions about what kind of dorm I have. So I'm in a single connected room, which means I have my own room, but I share a bathroom with my roommate, which I'll show you right now. She's not here right now. That's her side of her, that's her room. So like basically you just have 2 rooms and it's connected by a bathroom. Our bathroom is quite messy at the moment. Over here we just have this IKEA thing where we just have like hair products, toothbrushes, her sunglasses, drinks from the weekend. Yeah, that's the sink. It's a pretty small sink. We do a lot of things on the sink. We literally cook with the sink. Yeah, we got some soap. Down here we have cabinets with cleaning supplies, lots of tampons because we both bleed, cleaning products, that's some makeup, and more cleaning supplies. Over here we have our shower. It's just a walk-in shower, our bath mat. Behind there we have our toilet. This is not mine, but this is her decoration. It's pretty cute. And this is my poopery. Very essential when you share a bathroom. Over this is just my door. I just have a bunch of towels, And she has a bunch of towels over here as well. So over here is like my actual room. So I have these two walls. I have this queen poster that my friend Grace, who lives across from us, donated to me for me to borrow to put up. Over here I have the weekend poster. Over here is this little like drawers. These two drawers, I just stacked them on top of each other, but they originally came like underneath the bed, but I don't know, I wanted to put it out here just because it's more convenient to grab. And I have like this little space here where I do my like makeup and everything. So over here I have this little tea light thing from IKEA where I have like my rings, my jewelry. Here I have my makeup brushes, some eye drops. That is just my skincare, a picture frame. This really nice mirror that I got from IKEA. That's my makeup bag, my glasses, and I did put some posters on the wall, just random ones. Then for the drawers itself, I just have like my underwear, my bras, my socks, bikini, tops, pajama pants. If you guys are wondering where I got these like little fabric organizers, they're from IKEA. Here I have all of my t-shirts, sleeping shorts, and some crew necks. And down here I have a bunch of dope tote bags and plastic bags, and one more crew neck. A lot of people have asked me where I got this really nice fluffy green rug from. I actually got this from Amazon. It was very cheap. It was like 30 bucks for this really nice like green rug. I call it my lawn because it just looks like grass because it's like a green rug. Very cute. And over here I have this white rug from IKEA. Right here I have my little guitar setup. That's my laptop case, but I have my guitar here. I did bring this from my house. If you guys are wondering, it is a Squire Classic Vibe Stratocaster in white blonde. And that is my Vox guitar amp. I do play guitar quite often here, just because a lot of my friends here also play guitar, so it's really fun to play guitar with them. Behind here I have my tripod that I never use, and my lamp that I did bring here. Moving on to my desk area, it's very, very cluttered, but over here, this is obviously not my furniture. It's the dorm's furniture. It comes with the dorm. Actually, all the furniture here comes with the dorm except for the light. But over here I just have this drawer that I did bring from home. Over here my contacts, and in here I just have like random things. AirPods, friend's cap. Someone asked me why I have a picture of a white family on my bulletin board. It's 90210, this TV show. Those are my house keys, some face masks, a note that my friend wrote me. This is like all my charging cables. So that's my laptop charger. And I just have my Bluetooth speaker here, my iPad, and my MacBook. Over here I have this like guitar LED like light thing from Amazon, and everybody who has like seen this has told me that it looks like a middle finger. And I mean, I see it, but like, how can you like not tell like this is a guitar? It's clearly a guitar. And then here I have my glasses case. On top here I just have some posters. So that's from Pinterest. That is from a Paul McCartney record sleeve, and that's just a Beatles poster that I printed out. This is just like there's this random shelf like on top of the desk, so I just have my plants there. There I just have like vitamins, some guitar strings I've yet to use to change. This plant, so this is an ivy that I bought from IKEA. Her name is Frank, the PH. As you can tell, she's struggling a lot. And that's because when I bought her, I placed her like on, like right there, like on this ledge. which is right beside the heater. And I knew that, and I didn't think that would be an issue, but she literally burnt it to a crisp. So, very sad. This plant is from my mom. She kind of just gave it to me. Same with this one. Like, she had like a really big one at home, and then she repotted it for me, so I can grow my little tiny one. This one, our RA actually gave to us. It's a little tiny, little succulent, very cute. This is my spider plant that I bought from Safeway, I think. And those are just fake plants. Here's my very nice, very big window with an amazing view. The weather's not the greatest today, so the view's not super insane, but like, look at this. UBC is like right beside the ocean, so I have this really nice like 180 ocean view with trees and everything. I do live on like a middle floor, so it's not like super high, but usually like the sunset here is insane. Over here I just have this mirror from Walmart. I think next year I'm gonna invest in a better mirror because this mirror is really not the greatest, and it's just propped up on like this Doc Martens box. And on this wall I just have some posters. So I have this Pulp Fiction poster and these two David Bowie posters or sleeves from my record. And over here is my bed. It is a twin size bed, a twin XL actually. So my sheets are actually twin because my bed at home is a twin, and they barely fit, but it's like whatever. It actually fits pretty well. The fitted sheets doesn't fit the greatest, but it's just some gray sheets. Those are just my sleeping clothes. By the way, my room is not this organized usually. Like, I haven't done my bed in like a month, and I did my bed just for you guys, just for this video. But above my bed I just have this really massive Pink Floyd Wish You Were Here poster, and some more posters over here. That's from Pinterest. That's George Harrison, the Beatles, Jimi Hendrix, more Beatles, and this poster from Thrasher from Pinterest. And over here is the thermometer. Right now I have it at the lowest setting. And here I have fairy lights that I actually never turn on. It's actually the remote's right here. Let me try it. It's not gonna look that great right now. If it'll actually work. Hello? Hello? Like, please work. Okay, no. So, these are the fairy lights. They don't look the greatest right now because it's pretty bright out, but I just have them all over here, and I have more on this side. Hello? Please turn on. Turn on. There you go. Lights. Speaking of lighting, this actually has a colored bulb. So, I mean, it does not look that great in daylight, but you can change the color of the bulb, which is really nice. Underneath my bed, I just have like a backpack, lots of unused posters, these two like little boxes from IKEA, and some plastic containers I use to move my things here. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't super exciting or anything, but I always love watching dorm tours, so I decided to make one. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you on the flip side.